Hi, this is Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and I just wanted to do a quick little product review of a truck that is near and dear to our hearts here at Thoroughbred Diesel, the 2nd gen Dodge. So on my 01 truck, I had a brake line that went out, and I knew that Dorman offered a brake line kit for these trucks, but I really just didn't know how nice this kit was. I purchased this kit for my personal truck. I just wanted to show it to you guys. So Dorman makes brake line kits for lots of different vehicle platforms, but these 2nd gen trucks like we drive, you know, the brake lines rust, they blow out, and you've got a problem. The brake lines from the dealership, now they're still available, but obviously they're not going to be available pre-formed for very long. You know, $30, $40 a piece, you know, but this is a complete kit from Dorman. This does for the 01 to 02 trucks with the Dana 80 rear axle, the single rear wheel, 4-wheel drive trucks. With the 4-wheel ABS. The part number on this, and I forgot it, Adam, was 919183 for the 4-wheel drive trucks. Complete kit, stainless steel lines from Dorman. So if you've got one of these trucks and you're looking for brake lines, I'd really suggest this one. At the time of this filming, this kit's less than $300 to get them onto your truck. You can, you know, tackle the lines that you're having problems with and then keep this back and or just do it as a complete installation all at one time, however you want to do it. But complete kit even comes with the little short lines that you need in different parts of the truck. So, and each line is labeled into what location that they go. So check them out from Dorman. They're stainless steel preformed brake line kits.